Ow! That hurt.
Crashing on the right side can sometimes bend the hanger that holds the rear derailleur, causing poor shifting. The kind of damage we have here is actually often repairable. The hanger has been bent in. It should be able to be pulled back, especially if we're able to use the derailleur alignment gauge from Park Tool. We're going to attempt to repair that may align this back successfully, and we can continue on our way. There is a chance on any bending it may fail, and that would simply be braking here. But in this system as it is now, it's unusable, so we might as well give this a try. You can take these small portable multi-tools. This is a little AWS 10. That's a 5mm. It could be the IB1 or IB2, any of the small tools from Park Tool. This is common though. You'll see that bolt was actually a little loose from the impact of the crash. That got a little bit loose, so snug that back up before we proceed. Now I'm going to straighten the tool out and use it as a lever. So we're going to grab the tool, grab inside the body here, and pull. Oh. We're a little better. I think we need to go a little bit more. So we continue to pull back. We want to get the cog, the plane of our cassette cogs here in that hanger, parallel or close to parallel with one another. Then we will reset the limit screws and then reset our indexing and then hopefully carry on.